This superb Corvette is a first-class Restomod that's wrapped in bare-knuckle Motor City style. And if you're tired of superficial classics that emphasize appearance over practicality, it's the real-deal retro relic you've been longing for. The Stingray's solid body, massaged to near perfection during a recent restoration, is covered in a correct coat of Lindell Blue 2-stage. Not nearly as pastel as it sounds, that pigment gives the car's unquestionably timeless profile undoubtedly modern appeal, especially when it's accented with a striking teal stinger stripe. All trim and badges are present and in great shape, and the iconic profile is dashed with attractive alloy wheels. Inside, class is the name of the game, as correct teal blue vinyl creates a stylish complement to the car's elegant paint. A two-tone dash founds vintage air conditioning next to direct fit audio that's funneled through Pioneer speakers, and the driver sticks to the curves through a teak steering wheel and a polished shifter. Tilt the hood and you'll find 383 cubic inches of stroke Chevrolet small block that is rated at an even 500 horsepower. That small block sends power through a Muncie 4-speed manual, back to 370 gears. This fully sorted Chevy is a wonderful classic to drive, enjoy, and turn a lot of heads in. Mid-year Corvettes never go out of style, so don't let this one get away. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.